Now in this question, what do we have to do is we have to find out the time. So the question is, in how many years will rupees 4,000 amount to rupees 5,324 at a rate of 10% compound interest? So we are given the rate, we have the amount, we have the principal. What do we have to find is the time. So we have A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So we have A equal to 5324, P equal to 4000, R equal to 10. So we put all these values over here. We have this. So we have 5324 upon 4000 equal to 11 by 10 raised to power n. If you divide both these values by 4, you will get 1331 upon 1000 equal to 11 by 10 raised to power n. 1331 is the cube of 11 and 1000 is the cube of 10. So we have 1331 upon 1000 is equal to 11 by 10 raised to power 3. So n here is equal to 3, which means the time required is equal to 3 years. So the time required is equal to 3 years. That means a principal of 4,000 will result to rupees 5,324 after 3 years at a rate of interest of 10% compounded annually.